Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix date and time not showing in taskbar on Windows 11. So let us start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So you can see guys, this is my Windows 11 computer, and if I go to my taskbar, you can see I don't have date and time showing, okay? So to show it, just click on this Windows 11 Start button and then search for Settings app. So here is my settings app. So just click on it to open it. You can see it's now opened. And after that, just click on time and language and then click on date and time and then come to this option show time and date in the system tray. Turn this off to hide your time and date information on the taskbar. So currently this option is turned off. You can see this toggle button is turned off next to it. That's why we don't have date and time showing in the taskbar. Okay. So to show it, we need to turn on this option. So to turn on it, you have to turn on this toggle button next to it. So to turn on this toggle button, just click on it so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me click on it. And you can see guys, we have this option turned on. And if I go to my taskbar, you can see I have a date and time showing. Okay, so it's now fixed. After that, you can close this window. So let me close it. So that's it. In this way, you can easily fix date and time not showing in taskbar on Windows 11. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.